Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the camera and cable type because the physical connection differs. Analog uses coax with BNC, IP uses Ethernet. Once done, power down the DVR and camera to avoid shorting. Make sure to strip, terminate, and label cables now so you don't mix channels later. Use a cable tester and connector tool to ensure solid contacts. Good preparation reduces rework and prevents video loss when you power everything back up. Next, you make the actual connections. For analog, push and twist the BNC onto the camera's output and the DVR's input until it locks. For IP, crimp or plug RJ45 into camera or PoE port so data and power meet spec. Once connected, route cables along clean paths, secure with clips, and keep power lines apart from video to minimize interference. Also, attach ground wires, if present, and double-check polarity on any DC power leads before reapplying power. Finally, power the system and verify each channel so you confirm the right camera appears on the intended DVR input. You'll log into DVR menus to set resolution, frame rate, recording mode, and motion zones so recordings match your needs. If a feed is missing, first check cable connectors and LEDs, then swap cables to isolate faults. Meanwhile, verify power voltage at the camera. Make sure to retest after any fix, so you know recording and playback function properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.